on America. Hillary, you're a strong woman. You're an intelligent woman. You're not a good woman. But if you want to do good, let the black man go and stop deceiving them that you are really their friend. If you were their friend, why did you kill Gaddafi? Why did you destroy Libya and then create the problem of refugees running out of North Africa into Europe? That's your doing, Miss Clinton. If you love black people, why are you destroying Haiti? If you love black people, why did you, Mr. Clinton, stop them from the rice that they were producing in Haiti to feed themselves and other Caribbean nations, and you put the rice out of business, and now rice is coming from Arkansas, chicken coming from Arkansas, when it once was growing right there in Haiti? You got to take responsibility for the hell that you've been giving to our people, not only in America, but in Haiti and the Caribbean, and now in Africa. Mrs. Clinton, your hand is bloody. What will you do?